Namaste Yogis. Are you suffering with anxiety? Are you having a lot of stress problems and you're not finding any solution? So if you're a yoga person, so this video is for you and I will show you one pranayama. So this pranayama, it works on your stress level, it works on your tensions, anxiety, everything. So with one pranayama, you get all the solutions. So please watch the video fully, and I will bring one very interesting tool which is called Yoga Danda. So I have separate video on Yoga Danda. You should go and watch the video about Yoga Danda. Today my topic is UJJAYI Pranayama, which is called victorious pranayama or ocean breath. So UJJAYI is very interesting. UJJAYI is to, like victory, you are getting that victory over your prana. So everything will be in this video. Only the thing is you should watch it fully, and at the end give you one clue to figure out and to know which is that channel or chakra which is affected after practicing UJJAYI. So now I will start my topic, UJJAYI Pranayama. For UJJAYI, you have to sit in a comfortable posture. So if you are sitting into Sukhasana, you only simply cross your legs. If you choose Siddhasana, which is better, means with pranayama, you can also go into deep state of meditation. So for Siddhasana, you put the heel of your foot close to the anus region. This is important because that energy of your root chakra is situated on this chakra, on this part, and the other leg we put on the top. I always mention Siddhasana. You will see, you will check your back will be straight. For UJJAYI, you start to check your breathing. There is no pressure on your breathing. So the third thing, when you will start to inhale, you make this sound or noise on the throat. So what it does, it hits your throat, the thyroid gland, and that's why everything starts to open. And at the end, I will tell you that chakra which is affected after UJJAYI. So please watch this practice fully. For UJJAYI, and during exhalation, long inhalation in which you're contracting your thyroid, and then exhalation will be longer. I will show you one more time how to practice UJJAYI. So you're contracting your main awareness, your main focus about your prana, and you're using that prana with contracting your throat. So how to practice? Same, your posture. As much you will start to inhale, you're contracting at the same time. Many times people are puzzled. They think first you inhale and then they start to contract. You have to contract at the same time. As much you can, and then you can check how much you inhaled. So this is the science of UJJAYI Pranayama, that you contract. As much you are contracting, thyroid gland, it's coming back to its normal size, to normal shape. So this was how to practice UJJAYI. Now I will show you Yoga Danda. So this information you will not get anywhere. Yoga Danda, as I always say, it should be in your practice. It should be with you. Does not matter any pranayama, even meditation you are practicing, please use Yoga Danda or yoga stick. It's also called meditation stick. So now it comes why to use Yoga Danda. Why? Because if I will not check which side of my nostril is active or it's not, I cannot define which side is dominating. So this is the main point. Yoga Danda comes in your practice, and I will not go how to use Yoga Danda. Otherwise, this video will be so long. With Ujjayi, the role is when you know you are aware about your breathing pattern, you can easily fix Yoga Danda. Just a little introduction, a brief description. For example, my left nostril is having difficulty to breathe, means my right one is more active. What I will do to open the left, I place it on the other side under the armpit. And if you know, a lot of sensory system is here, a lot of nerves are passing through this region. That's why we press it. It works like an acupressure tool. The shape is like nicely your armpit is settled over here. Traditionally, yogis, all those sages, you will see they were always sitting with Yoga Danda. That's why I want you to use Yoga Danda in your practice. Yoga with a Dream, she has very interesting videos in which you find a lot of working on asanas, pranayama. Yoga Swami Ramdev, who is perfect, I would say, who guides traditionally. The wisdom is just high, it's so natural, and he brings those high quality videos with proper information, means you enjoy. Yoga with Cassandra, she also brings very much informative videos. So to check wherever you feel good to get the information, but these tools are for your personal growth. That's why I mentioned that this information you will not get on other channels. Now, the last topic, the last thing I would like to share with Ujjayi, which is that part you should observe, and which is that chakra you get awakened. That chakra just comes out, that chakra pops up. That's your throat chakra. It's only about your throat. As much you are opening your throat chakra, you are keep contracting with ocean breath. You will find your thyroid is getting normal. If it's hyper or hypo, in both conditions, it will come back to the neutral state. And what will happen? Your Vishuddhi chakra, your throat channel or chakra, it starts to open up. So please let me know if you are practicing regularly or not. How is your practice? How is your working? If you have any query, you have any questions, please put in comment box. And thank you for watching. Namaste.